Tree Surgeon Chingford. We are experts in the preservation and maintenance of trees. We also cover Enfield, Stratford, London, Sudbury and Wembley. Our friendly and professional team can offer a range of tree services, for both residential and commercial customers. Tree felling, pruning, planting, crown reduction, tree surveys, stump and root removal, as well as site clearance for commercial customers. We are fully qualified and insured, ensuring full peace of mind when using our tree surgeons. For more information on the range of tree services we can provide, contact us today on 07480 801 939.